Hello, I am C. Xiangjian, and now I am presenting my FYP video demonstration. My title is Joystick-Controlled Electric Wheelchair. In here, I am going to build a small wheelchair model and control it using touchscreen device. To make the joystick, there are two components that I need. First, Arduino Mega 2560, and second is 2.4-inch touchscreen TFT LCD shield. And here is the two components. To come out with the display of joystick, there are some functions that I need to write. First, function to display message. Second, function After obtaining the displacement and the angle of the pointer, we need to come up with the output voltage for the motors. The output voltage is proportional to the pointer displacement. As the pointer is further from the center, the output voltage is higher, and vice versa. In every quadrant, one motor is just affected by the pointer displacement, while another motor is affected by both displacement and also angle. And in every quadrant, the angle range is limited to 0 to 90. So, when the angle is closer to 0, the output voltage is also lower. So, the degree of turning of the wheelchair is larger. While the angle is higher, the output voltage is also higher. So the degree of turning of wheelchair will be smaller. As the degree angle is 90, the output voltage for both motors will be the same. So the wheelchair will be moving straight forward or straight backward. Now I am showing the readings of the output voltage for motors when the joystick is pressed and moved at different coordinates.